details. I'm using the kits that I just unboxing for you. I'm so excited. The Ultimate Crystal Kit. You'll find it right on the new arrivals right there. And you can definitely use in your gift cards from Glitz to check that out. So floating, no wet top coat on. So now if you want your design to be matte, then you add the matte top coat instead of the shiny top coat. All right. So now what design we are going to pick? Or you want me to pick myself?
Go for it.
Go for it? Haha. I'll just select myself. Oh, nice. Oh, awesome. There you go. Okay. All right, I'm go for it. I am gonna go for it. I like them all. But also I like this one too. So now the heart, I love the heart. You will never go wrong with the heart. The heart is so cute. It's like all year round. I can pair so many. Look at that. And then now for all of us who doesn't like any of the beads, you can definitely key it now if you prefer that no beads on it. But a lot of us love to make it looks like really like a piece of art more in the jewelry. You can add some beads on for your preference. So I'm gonna get some beads from on the kits. The kits had everything. You don't have to even get anything else. If for a lot of you love crystals and you are going to start with the crystals placement, I would suggest getting, when you get your gift card, get your crystal kit with the Trifecta. So you will know that your crystal game will not going to be any of troubleshootings at all, because you get the great like methods in your hand, so you can do a lot of good crystal placement and feel so confident of what you're doing. You don't have to worry about if you are doing for the clients and they're calling, hey Nancy, it's so gorgeous and it has come off in like next day. It keep coming off and it keep catching on my hair. I like it so much, but I'm not sure if next time I say no. We're not gonna let that happen. We're gonna make sure that this crystal gonna stay on the client's nail. So I'm go ahead and I'm just looking for the heart and I just found it right there. It's funny because it's now gonna make like, hey, cool. Sorry, I was up all the way air. All right, happy with this? We are going to key for, oh my god, I forgot to take a picture of this tray. So if anybody screenshot, you can. Key for 60 seconds.